4E, we have letter A. So A will be fixed. A will be fixed. Now N is 2 times. N is 2 times. So out of 11 letters, we have fixed A because the first word will start with A and after that other letters. So A will be fixed. So total letters remaining 10 and N is occurring 2 times. So what is N is also, and A. A is 2 times. A is 2 times. So number of words will be factorial 10 upon factorial 2 into factorial 2. A is occurring 2 times and N is occurring 2 times. So total number of words will be factorial 10 upon factorial 2 into factorial 2. So
Sir, I will be 2 times, sir.
get the solution of the question. I think its answer, I am noting this. You can write. I think the answer is 907200. I have noted the answer. So this will be the answer of the question. Any doubt, students? Please reply.
No, sir. Sir, I will 2 times, sir. I.
What? Okay.
Sir, I is also 2 times.
9. See, no, I is also twice. All right. But see, A is fixed. This A is fixed. And after that, we are writing the other one. So A we cannot count twice. A, I is twice. All right. But A is fixed. So A we cannot count A repeating because one A is fixed. So it is not going anywhere. Other I and N will repeat. So this is why I have taken factorial 2 into factorial 2. 1 factorial 2 for I, 1 factorial 2 for N. A is 1 A is fixed. So A will not be counted. Got it? Now let's
Yes, sir.
see. Other question. Question number 5. Question number 5 is very simple question. See, how many 6-digit numbers can be formed from the digits 0, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9? Given digits are 0, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 digits. 6 digits. And we have to form the even number. How many 6 digits number can be formed? So total digits are 6. Total digits are 6 and we have to form the 6-digit number. So for an even number 0, must be at ones place. 0 must be at ones place. Now, how many digits are repeating? See, I am giving the idea like this. This is ones, first place, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and lakhs. So here you will write 0. One of the digits is used. Remaining 5 digits. So 5 digits can fill 5 places by 5p5. So we can write like this. Remaining 5 digits can fill 5 places by factorial 5 ways. So its answer is 120. Factorial 5 is 120. So that will be the answer. Any doubt? Reply, students.
No, sir.
All right. Let's see question number 6. Question number 6. Small question. See, question is given. The English alphabet has 5 vowels and 21 consonants. 5 vowels and 21 consonants. How many words with 2 different vowels and 2 different consonants can be formed from the alphabets? Means we have to form a word with 2 vowel and 2 consonants. So in this question, number of vowels 5, number of consonants 21, and we have to use 2 of each, means 2 vowels and 2 consonants. So in how many ways we can use? Number of words will be 5C2 into 21C2. 5C2 and 21C2. See, I am giving the idea. Here we have vowels, here we have consonants. 2 vowels here and 2 consonants here. The total 4 letters. So all these 4 letters can change their places by factorial 4 ways, because this can go in this place, this can come this in this place, this can come this place, this can come this place. So all letters, vowels and consonants can change their places. So here all 4 letters can change their places by factorial 4 ways. Factorial 4 ways. So what is the total words? Now total words will be 5C2 into 21C2 into factorial 4. Let's solve. We have factorial 5 upon factorial 2 into factorial 3 into factorial 21 upon factorial 2 into factorial 19 into this is 24. Factorial 4 is 24. Solve this. Here we have 5 into 4 into factorial 3 upon 2 into factorial 3 into 21 into 20 into factorial 19 upon we have factorial 2 into factorial 19. This will go and this will go 10 times. Here we have 24. This will go. This is 2 times. So final answer 5 2s are 10 here into 21 10s are 210 into 24. Multiply all these. I have noted the answer. This is 50,400. So answer is 50,400 is the answer. Got it? Students, any doubt? Please reply. All right. Now let's see. This is important question. Question number 7. We are coming to see question number 7. Seventh question. See, I am reading the question. In an examination, a question paper consists of 12 questions divided into two parts, that is first part and second part, containing 5 questions and 7 questions respectively. A student is required to attempt 8 questions in all, selecting at least 3 from each part. In how many ways can a student select the questions? Do you mean the question? Means in the question paper, there are 2 sections, first and second. First section is containing 5 questions. Second section is containing 7 questions. Now, total 8 questions are to be attempted. And instruction what? Instruction is to attempt total 8 questions. You have to attempt total 8 questions and at least 3 from each. At least 3 from each. So let's see how to attempt the question. See, number of questions in first part 5 and number of questions in second part 7. At least 3 questions from each section. So we can choose any of the parts. Suppose you are selecting 3 questions, at least 3 questions, means minimum 3 questions, maximum 5 questions, or minimum 3 questions from second set, then maximum 7 questions you can choose. So you can take any of the parts, like suppose I am taking 3 questions from first part. Then how many questions from second part? 5.
5.
If you choose 4 questions from first part, then how many questions from second part? 4.
4.
And if you are choosing all 5 questions from first part, then how many questions are there from second part?
3.
3 questions. All right. So we have 3 options. And yesterday I told, when we have more than one options in the question, all the options are added. So see, if we select 3 questions from first part, then 5 from second. If we select 4 questions from first part, then 4 from second. If you choose 5 questions from first part, then 3 questions from second. So we have 3 options. Now let's see how to write the combination. See, the first one, 5 questions from 3 questions from 5. So this is 5C3 into 7C5. Total 8 questions. 3 questions from 5, then 5 questions from 7. This is first option. Or 5C4 into 7C4, or 5C5 into 7C3. So we have all 3 options, and solving all these combinations, we can get the answer. So I have the answer with me. Its answer is 420. So you can solve this. I'm just writing the answer. Can you solve the combination, students?
Yes, sir.
So in examination, you can leave this combination. Suppose if this question is given, so you can leave this much if you don't have time. So as I told, only half marks is deducted. Suppose 4 marks question is, so you will be given 3.5 marks. Got it? So if you don't have time, then you can leave, or if you have time to calculate, then calculate and get the result. Any doubt, students?
No, sir.
No, sir.
All right. Let's see the other question. This question we have solved already in the previous exercise. Determine the number of 5 card combination out of a deck of 52 cards if each selection of 5 cards had exactly 1 king. As you know that a deck of cards has total 52 cards, and this time in the previous question we have solved was about an ace. Here we have about a king. So how many kings are in the deck? 4 kings. 4 kings. So total cards 52. Number of kings 4. Other cards 48. We have to choose 5 cards, and in that 5 card, one must be a king and 4 other cards. So king must be taken from this 4 card and other 4 cards from this. So total combination with a king will be 4C1 into 48C4. And we have the answer of this question. Already we have done this question. Its answer was 77, 83, 20. I think so. Just what I have noted the answer. This one is the correct answer. Got the students? Now, let's see, question number 9 is interesting question. Question number 9. See, I'm reading the question. Question is it it is required to seat 5 men and 4 women in a row so that the women occupy the even places. How many such arrangements are possible? Means 5 men and 4 women. See, number of men 5, number of women 4. How to arrange them so that the women can have even places? So I'm writing, see, odd, even. Or you can write like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total 9 are 5 plus 4, 9. And women are occupying even places. Means at second place women, and fourth place women, and sixth place women, and at eighth place women. The total 4 women are seated at 4 places, and remaining 5 places men will be there. So here we have men, 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 and men. So women and men are separated. So in how many ways this can be? So men can be arranged by factorial 5 ways. Women can be arranged by factorial 4 ways. So total ways will be factorial 5 into factorial 4. Factorial 5 is 120 into 24. This is 2880. I think so. Yes, the answer is 2880. Got it? Any doubt, students?
No, sir.
Someone is writing about book. Four women are given, 4 women and 5 men. In the question given in my book, it is given 5 men and 4 women are to sit. So I have written 5 men and 4 women. Women are at even places and men are at odd places. So we have got the answer. Total 9 are there. So what is the need to write the 10th place? Total 9 students are. Total 9 persons are. Now, see the question number 10 is easy questions. Whatever you have the problem, please raise your question. I can listen your voice. So, question number 10 is, from a class of 25 students, 10 are to be chosen for an excursion party. There are 3 students who decide that either all of them will join or none of them will join. In how many ways can the excursion party be chosen? Try to understand. Total how many are there? 25. And 3 are very fast friend. They decide that all will go or none will go. So suppose all 3 are going. Again, we have 2 options with us. We have 2 options with us. Maybe all 3 will go to the party, or none will go to the party. But total 10 must be there in the party. So what we have in this question, this is question number 10. Question number 10. Number of students 25. If suppose if all three are going, in the party, so separate them, then how many students are there remaining? 22. See, so total 10 are to be in the party. So if all three are going from the friend circle, then remaining 7 will go from 22 students, because total 25 students are there. Total 25 students are there, and suppose 3 are going. So separating them 3, we have to choose now how many? We have to choose 7 from 22, because 3 are already going. Number of students in the party is 10. First case, if all 3 friends, I'm giving the name friends, are joining, then remaining 7 will be from 22. What is the combination? Then we have 3C3 into 22C7. This is first option. And suppose none is going, means all those 3 are not going. So we have 22 students. So out of those 22 students, how many you have to choose? You have to choose 10. This case, second, if all 3 friends are not joining, then all 10 students from 22. So what is the combination? 3C0 means those 3, none is going. Those 3, none is going, into 22C10. So total ways, we have 2 options. One is here, is 3C3 into 22C7 plus 3C0 into 22C10. Here, I think you cannot see this, so I'm writing like this. 3C0 into 3C3. First, 22C7 plus 3C0 into 22C10. Got it? Now, on solving these two situations, you can get the answer. Like I have noted its answer. Its answer is 8,17,190. I think so. You can calculate is 8,17,000. I think so. You can check your answer. You can check it by calculation if any mistake, but combination is this. Got it? Any doubt, students? All right. Let's see. We have one more question to go. We have one more question to go. Question number 11. And it is very easy question and simple question. Just I am giving the idea. See, in how many ways can the letter of the word assassination be arranged so that all the S are together? All the S are together. Word is we have assassination. Long spelling. You can learn it. Now, बहुत आसान सा मेथड है याद करने का इसका. इसको याद कर सकते हो. As means गधा. You know, गधे के पीछे गधा, उसके पीछे मैं, उसके पीछे नेशन. ऐसे याद कर लो. गधे के पीछे गधा, उसके पीछे मैं, that is I, and उसके पीछे nation, as nation. So this is the word. This was a joke. Now, so all S are together. So we have, see, 8, 1, 2, 3 times. A is 3 times. S is 4 times. And I is 2 times. Any other word letter is repeating? I think no.
N.
N is 2 times, right? N is 2 times. So think, as I told, if any letter is kept in bunch, total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 letters. Total letters are 13. Total letters are 13. If all S's are together, if all S's are together, S is given, yes. So first remove 4S from 13, the total 9, and a bunch of S will represent the single S. A bunch of S will represent the single S. So number of letters will be 13 minus 4 and plus 1. Why minus 4? All S has been removed, and plus 1 means a bunch of 4 S is represent as single S. So total is now 10. And out of these 10, N is 2 times, I is 2 times, and A is 3 times. So total ways will be factorial 10 upon factorial 3 into factorial 2 into factorial 2. So you will solve all this. Why factorial 3? because here a is 3 times, y factorial 2, I is 2 times, n is 2 times. And solving all these terms, we will have the result. And its answer is 1,51,200. I have noted it. You can calculate it. 1,51,200 is the answer. So students, this was the last question of the exercise. This chapter has been completed. From tomorrow onward, we shall start revision. So tomorrow we will solve some additional questions of this chapter, because this chapter was running. So including this, we will solve some additional questions of this chapter, and after that we shall start revision. Got it, students? Thank you very much. Take care of yourself. God bless you.
Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Happy Teachers Day, sir.
Happy Teachers Day, sir.
Nikal.